Today I wanted to cover building your credit scores. So in a separate video, I talked about a credit card is the best tool to build your credit scores. But a lot of people get denied when they open up a credit card, when they try to open up a credit card. And the reason being is their scores are too low. So what do? What you do is you open up a secured credit card. Typically, nobody gets denied for a secured credit card because you're securing your limit with your own money. So if you want a credit card with a $300 limit, you're gonna give the bank $300 and they're gonna keep that. And if you default on that credit card, they'll keep your $300. That's why it's called a secured credit card, because you're securing your limit with your own money. I hope this helps out. If you have any questions, you could always call me and you could also direct message me. Thank you.